Luna Classic is testing a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Our Telegram channel just hit over 200 members. We have been sending some amazing trades, well over 50% profit. So if you guys are still interested in joining, make sure to check out the link. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see, yesterday we were testing a very crucial resistance point here at 17, and I mentioned the fact that because we were seeing so many rejection candlesticks, we could be looking for a stronger breakdown formation on Luna Classic. You can see after that video was made, we saw a very strong bearish engulfing candle breaking below our exponential moving averages, and we actually managed to take that shorting position and we made a ton of profits over in Telegram. Of course, right now we saw a beautiful retest in terms of resistance, and right now we do have somewhat of a bullish case scenario, but I do want to talk about the overall picture on Luna Classic. You guys already know this price action has become extremely difficult to watch because of the fact that we're not really seeing any large move sets, but you can see from previous price analysis, this area was a very strong support, and now it is acting as a very strong resistance. This is the leading indicator that you want to keep an eye on when you guys are trading, because of the fact that old support becomes new resistance usually means that we are expecting further downside on Luna Classic overall. You can see from previous price analysis as well, of course, the 18 resistance has been a struggle trying to break above this level, but all eyes remain on the 14 support level because we have already tested this level twice. This would become the third test opportunity, of course, assuming we end up breaking our 16 support, and we could be looking for a massive capitulation on Luna Classic overall. Even here on the hourly time frame, you can see, of course, the fact that volume is starting to die, but we are seeing more rejection candlesticks than we are seeing bullish ones, and this is ideally what I want to see in terms of a rejection, in terms of resistance. The more times we get rejected, of course, the higher chances of us actually ending up breaking our 16 support. And if we look here on the daily time frames, I do want to talk about a few things. Number one, of course, looking at the overall picture on Luna Classic, I know you guys want to see a bullish case scenario, and I'll go ahead and talk about that, but I want you to really pay attention to my ending quotes here. Number one, of course, you can see that Luna Classic is one of those coins that tends to pump the highest after Bitcoin and Ethereum tend to rally. Usually altcoins lag behind, and once everything settles down, then we start seeing some momentum gains, but Luna Classic has been struggling to break out from this level for the past few months. Looking at the previous price analysis, you can see, of course, the fact that we went absolutely parabolic as soon as we broke above that major resistance level here at 14, and then we just continued to rally all the way up to the 50 resistance. As of right now, we've been on a major downtrend without any possibility of trying to break above those exponential moving averages. And even at the current price analysis, you can see, of course, that we did see a strong bullish move towards the upside, and immediately after we rejected that level. As of right now, we are retesting this resistance level and rejecting it multiple times. So this is one of those situations where I always tell you guys to pay attention to tell you what the charts are telling us. Right now, the charts are telling, of course, the fact that there's not really any bullish volume coming into the market. We are seeing multiple rejection candlesticks, and if you guys pay attention here as well, you can see, of course, the fact that our exponential moving averages are starting to push lower. Usually when this happens and we start ending up retesting major support levels, we tend to see a very strong breakdown formation, and this is exactly why I mentioned pay very close attention to this 14 support. Any clean break below the 14 support level and Luna Classic will be looking for a massive trade opportunity. I, of course, will keep you guys posted in Telegram, but if for those of you that haven't joined yet, if we end up breaking the 14 support level and retesting it as resistance, exactly like what we see over here, I'm going to be paying very close attention to seeing whether or not we get that massive leg towards the downside, because of the fact that we are still retesting this area as resistance. I know I mentioned the fact that we do have a possibility of an inverse BART formation playing out as well. The only problem with the fact is that we are trading below our exponential moving averages, so until we can try to break above this massive trend change, we aren't going to be able to see that inverse bar play out. Of course, this would become invalidated if we did get something like this, where we saw a strong bullish move towards the upside, break above our exponential moving averages, and then a continuation. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have it.